Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Guys, today I have a treat for you. Yes guys, today we embark on an exciting adventure at the heart of Orlando's Citywalk, where we will discover the extraordinary Bob Marley restaurant, a tribute to freedom. So guys, as I am approaching, I notice the Rastafarian colors, red, green, and gold, and the exterior design is definitely a replica of Bob Marley's home in Kingston, Jamaica. Of course, we see the symbolic lions outside and an image of the legend himself. Guys, as I step through the doors of the Bob Marley restaurant, I am immediately engulfed in a vibrant atmosphere that pays tribute to the reggae legend. The interior design is also a replica of Bob Marley's home in Kingston, Jamaica. Guys, as you can see, there is a rustic charm that is infused with the spirit of freedom and unity. From the authentic island decor to the mesmerizing mural that adorn the walls, every detail in this building radiates a sense of joy, love, and Bob Marley's profound influence on Jamaica and the Jamaican people. Guys, the restaurant is already closed. It's time for the band to start and the dancing and all that. So guys, you won't be hearing from me for the rest of the video, but enjoy the music with me guys, and I will do another video showcasing the restaurant. Guys, stick around until the end of the video, and until then, ciao.
When you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song.